Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve some previous year board questions from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. It would be better if you watch the previous video in which I have given an overview of this chapter. First question, in an AP, if the common difference D equal to minus 4 and the 7th term A7 is 4, then find the first term. Given that D equal to minus 4. 7th term A7 equal to 4. We have to find the first term, that is A. Here A7 equal to 4. That implies A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 4. Here we know that the value of D equal to minus 4. We substitute the value of D. Then A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into D is minus 4, that is equal to 4. That implies A 6 into minus 4 is minus 24 equal to 4. This implies A equal to 4 plus 24, that is equal to 28. This is the value of the first term. Next question, check whether minus 140 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. We don't know that minus 140 is a term of AP or not. We have to check it. For this we take minus 140 is the nth term of this AP. Then we can write A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 140. Here given that A equal to 11, D equal to 8 minus 11 equal to minus 3. We can substitute this value here. A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 equal to minus 140. That implies 11 minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 equal to minus 140. This implies here 11 plus 3, that is 14, minus 3n equal to minus 140. This minus 3n equal to minus 140. This 14 comes to this side, then minus 14 equal to minus 154. Then minus n, then n equal to minus 154 by minus 3 equal to 154 by 3, but this is not a natural number. So minus 140 is not a term of this AP. Next question, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. 253. We have to find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. 253. Here we can find the 20th term from the last term. Use this formula an equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. Here L is the last term, that is equal to 253. N is equal to 20. D equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Then substitute these values, we get A 20 equal to 253 minus 20 minus 1 into 5, that is equal to 253 minus 19 into 5, that is equal to 253 minus 95 equal to 158. Then 20th term from the last term is 158. Fourth question, which term of the AP 84, 80, 76, etc. will be the first negative term? Let the first negative term be the nth term of 84, 80, 76, etc. That is, this an will be negative. That is, an is less than 0. That is, a plus n minus 1 into d will be less than 0. Here, a is given. A equal to 84. D equal to 80 minus 84 equal to minus 4. Then substitute the values of a and d here. A is 84 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 4, which is less than 0. This implies 84 minus 4n, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, which is less than 0. This implies 84 plus 4 is 88 minus 4n, which is less than 0. This implies 88 is less than 4n. That implies 4n is, we take 4n first, that 4n is greater than 88. That implies n is greater than 88 by 4, that is n is greater than 22. So the first negative term will be 23rd term. The first negative term will be 23rd term because n is greater than 22. N is not equal to 22, n is greater than 22. So first negative term will be 23rd term. Fifth question, find how many integers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 8. The numbers divisible by 8 between 200 and 500 are 208, 216, 224, etc. 496. There are n numbers in this AP. This is an AP because there is common difference. So it is an AP. Here there are n numbers in this AP. So we have to find the value of n. Here given that a equal to 208. D is 8. Then an equal to 496. Then we know that this formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to an. Substitute the values of a, d and an. Then we have to find the value of n here. A is 208 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 equal to 496. N minus 1 into 8 equal to 496 minus 208. That is equal to 288. Here n minus 1 equal to 288 by 8 equal to 36. This implies n equal to 36 plus 1 equal to 37. So there are 37 integers in between 200 and 500 which are divisible by 8. That's all for the session. I hope you have understood this session. In the upcoming videos, we will be solving some more previous year board questions. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you.